Hi, this is Ahmed and today I'm going to unbox Huawei Y6 Prime 2019. It is the mid-range mobile phone from Huawei. On the side of the box we have specs 32 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM. It is available in 3 colors. This one is in sapphire blue. Let's remove the plastic from the box. Little Huawei and Y6 logo on the box. So let's get this thing out of the box. First we have the mobile phone. Then we have the SIM ejector tool, screen protector, user guide, and a warranty card from Huawei. Then we have the power brick, which is very standard, and a micro USB charging cable, and nothing else in the box. Let's remove the plastic from the phone. First we have the fingerprint sensor in the middle of the back, 13 megapixel camera, and LED flash. On this side we have the volume rockers and the power button. On the top side we have 3.5 mm jack or headphone jack. On the bottom side, we have the charging port and the speaker grill. On this side, we have the SIM tray, which is hybrid. Let's boot up the mobile phone. Nice Huawei logo powered by Android. First, we will check the camera. We have the beauty mode, photo mode, video mode, and pro, which has all the manual control if you like that. Then we have the panorama mode and HDR, which enhance your colors. Nice home button animation. This mobile is running on EMUI 9, Android Pie. This mobile still has the notch, but it is smaller than iPhone. It has the headphone jack. The back camera is capable of recording 1080p videos, but it has single lens. The front camera is 8 megapixels and it is in the notch. Subscribe to this channel because your support means a lot to me.